Hello and welcome to our video tutorial about HTML basics. In this video, we will go through these topics. You can click on a topic to skip to that part of the video. And now, I will let Mikko take over.
Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on HTML tagging. In this video, we'll go over the basics of tags and cover some of the more popular tags in HTML, so that at the end of the video, you'll have a better understanding of how to use tags in HTML and what is on the screen right now. So, let's go ahead and open a new HTML file. Let's call it test.html. When creating a new HTML document, it's good to specify the type of document you are creating. We'll just type !doctype and HTML for now to keep it simple. Remember to use angle brackets for all tags. Now, we want to initiate the HTML file so that the browser that reads this knows that it is actually HTML. Let's type HTML in angle brackets. Now it is known where the document starts. It's also good to specify when the document ends. And this is done by closing the HTML tag by writing / and then HTML. You can think of tags as if they were parentheses. Alright, so the HTML file can be divided into two parts, the head and the body. The head contains the metadata of our document, which means that it has all the necessary information about the document in order to identify what kind of file we have. Probably the most important tag in the head is the title tag. The title acts like a header for the entire document, as you'll see shortly. Let's name it our web page. You can add more information inside the head tags, but for the sake of keeping it simple and covering the basics, we'll just leave it at that. Up next is the body of our HTML file. In here, we can add the contents of our document that will be shown to the user. Let's try it out by writing hello in there and then open the file. As you can see on the top, the title is shown right here and the body of our document is over here. Let's add a bit more to the body. You can add headers to the body by typing H and a number between 1 and 6. H1 is the largest header and H6 is the smallest. This allows for the body to be more organized instead of being a massive wall of text. We can also add paragraphs with the simple tag P. In the context of HTML, a paragraph means that there is a line break before and after the content inside the paragraph. This is also to keep the body organized, much like with the headers. Now, here's a quick example of a smaller header in the same file. As you can see, the H3 header is much smaller than the H1 header. Okay, here we will apply different styles to our text. You can do this to add importance to a specific part of your text, for example. You can add bold text with the element B, italic with I, underlined text with U, and last but not least, small text with the tag small. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up our file. As you can see, we have applied the different styles correctly. However, all the text is on the same line, while in the document it is not, so we have to fix that. All we have to do to add a line break is to add the tag BR, like this. And now, when we open the file again, voila! We have now broken the text down to multiple lines and thus made the text even more readable. Going back to our example file I showed at the beginning of this video, we have written more examples of different styles, as well as different fonts and font colors. In conclusion, HTML tags are fairly simple to utilize once you understand them, and after you have practiced them long enough, you'll have all the tags memorized in no time. I hope you learned something new watching this video, and take care.
I will now give a quick rundown on the subjects. The head tag contains web page's metadata. This can be a title, the style to be used, or some scripts that affect the web page. The body tag, on the other hand, contains web page's visible content. This could be, for example, text, links, or even pictures. Headings come in 6 sizes ranging from 1, the largest, to 6, the smallest. The paragraph tag contains the basic text of the web page and supports multiple different styles such as bold and italic. Inside these paragraphs, you can use the break tag to insert a line break to that paragraph